Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of October. And first of all, national news. ICMR project to accelerate cancer screening at district level. Socio-economic data soon. Nitish Kumar at all party meet after caste survey. 49 Delhi villages to be redeveloped at a cost of rupees 800 crore, Lieutenant Governor. Air Force to procure another 97 Tejas Mark 1A jets. Delhi's Green War Room start 24 by 7 monitoring of air pollution in city. Will stop flying MiG-21 fighter aircraft by 2025, Air Force Chief said. S-400 missile system supplies hindered by Russia-Ukraine war, IAF chief. Railways to complete 100% electrification of rail lines soon, PM Modi. Kerala government increased fee for medical colleges in state. Now some international news. Trudeau said Canada not looking to escalate situation, vows to engage constructively with India. Ukraine said it dawned 29 Russia launch drones, one cruise missile. More than 100 dolphins found dead in Brazilian Amazon as water temperatures soared. Biden said there's not much time to keep aid flowing to Ukraine and Congress must stop the games. UK visa fee hike for visitors comes into effect this week will impact Indians too. Nobel Prize 2023 in Physics awarded to Pierre Agostini, Ferencváros, N.A.L. Hulier for research on electrons in flashes of light. Sports news. Cricket World Cup, Ajay Jadeja named Afghanistan's team mentor. And Anu Rani secured gold in women's javelin throw. Praveen Chitravel won bronze in men's triple jump. ICC named Sachin Tendulkar as global ambassador for ODI World Cup 2023. Business related news. LIC got income tax penalty notice of rupees 84 crore insurer to file appeal. States borrowing costs soared to 23-week high of 7.56%. SEBI to introduce centralized mechanism for verification in case of demise of investors. Government banned manufacturing, possession, imports of electric detonator from April 2025. India will manage if oil price goes over $100, Hardeep S. Puri said. India needs to grow closer to 8% to become a high income country, World Bank. And that's all in news. Thank you.